Hello, it's Dr. Michael Mehmet again. This section, I'm just going to have a brief overview of your assessment. You're going to have three assessments, and each of them is going to scaffold on the other. So what that means is they're going to build on each other. So the first assessment task, just very briefly, I'm going to go in more detail in a video below. But essentially, we're going to look at the auditing process and understanding exactly where your brand or your organization sits right now. So we're going to look at doing a social media audit, looking at analytics, and essentially writing a very brief report on the state of play for your organization and then directing it to some strategies that might work for assessment task two, which will all be focused on strategy. So this is where you're going to develop your strategy and justify your strategy and essentially plan out your strategy. Assessment task three will then be a YouTube presentation or some visual presentation about the tactics. So while the first part is looking at what needs to be done, the strategy section looks at what you will do. This is all about how you will actually do it. So the third assessment task is all about tactics. So how you're actually going to put these ideas into practice. And we just need to make a little 10-minute video. By the end of the session, what you should be able to understand is one, how to evaluate your performance, how to improve your performance, how to strategize for a new future, and then how to execute that. So it's a very holistic way of doing assessment tasks, but most importantly, it benefits you. So if you ever go into this line of work or you want to enter into marketing or any form of marketing, especially digital, you'll be very well prepared. We can actually say you've got some practical skills and practical applications around digital marketing strategy and tactics. Thanks.